and welcome to the SupraScoop tutorial for brand track campaigns. Brand track campaigns are used to monitor a specific brand and see how their followers are changing over time, as well as the amount of posts they've made, their lists they appear in, and other little bits of metadata surrounding that brand. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. To get started with brand track campaigns, you click on the Create button found in the toolbar and simply type in a name for your campaign as well as the handle of the brand that you want to track. So you could call it Verizon, following at Verizon. You click Create and you confirm. This will have your campaign appear in the table right here. So as you can see, I've pre-created the Verizon campaign simply because it takes a snapshot of that brand every 7 days, and your first snapshot will only be created after a few minutes, and I'm just going to skip the whole waiting process so I can show you guys how the campaign works over the course of time. If you made any mistakes creating your campaign, you can select it from the table and click on the edit button. Here you can edit the name, and if you made a mistake with a handle, you need to archive the campaign and start again. If you want to archive the campaign, you just select it from the table and click on the archive button over here. You must be sure before you confirm this action because it's irreversible. And once you archive the campaign, it'll stop producing snapshots and move it towards the archive tab found over here. So when we go into the brand track campaign, I'm going to go into the pre-created one. You will see a list of trends represented by a graph and arrows showing you what they gained and what they lost in terms of following, follower count, posts, favorites, and listed. So the trends will only be generated after 2 weeks because we need more than one snapshot before we can start generating useful trends for you. And it takes 7 days to create a snapshot, so 14 days for 2 snapshots, that's 2 weeks. So your trends tab will show you a message saying not enough snapshots created to generate trends, and all you have to do then is just be patient until the second snapshot has been taken, and you will start to see the change in followers and the trends among the other statistics for this specific brand. And if we navigate towards the snapshots, we can see what the individual snapshots looked like on every day that it was taken. So let's take the most recent one over here, and here we can see how this snapshot influenced our graph. Here are all the new followers that this brand has gained since the last snapshot was taken, and you can use this to your advantage to create new business opportunities for your own brand. And also you can see here that these are the counts of the brand at this specific time that this snapshot was taken, and we use these numbers to generate the trends for you. So yeah, that is it for the brand track campaigns. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.